我们管制组里面有超出管界线的那几个原则。第一个就是说要超出管制界限的。第二个部分就是说，连续上升或是连续下降的，连续基点上升、连续基点下降那些要求，把它放到里面去。如果那些要求通通达到了之后，我们的制程一定是stable 跟 in control 的部分，主要的重点在这个部分。那个事实上不是S8像一样。不是，我们是moving，不是 S8像 ，is not as moving rate。
The whole process. This is the whole process, including the pre-process, scan, and the post-process. In the video, it only shows the scan data, the scan data part. But before the scan, we need to do the pre-process, including calibrate the 3D scanner, feature selection, spraying the powder on the object to scan. Some conditions that we cannot get the image about the shadow, the cross shape, too deep, too small, undercut. This feature cannot get for sure. So, what is cross shape?
Happy birthday to you. Chinese. 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。Chinese. 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。
来一个问另外一个问题，如果我们那时候没有作业，尤其用9月作业很晚才来怎么办？你可以看这边都是写 out of tolerance， 它不需要很清楚的 spec 在里面，你只要知道是哪个特征，例如它是80 5，或者是它的 total height， 它总高，他们 care 这个问题。我们要做的事情是知道它怎么样去做失效，它怎么样失效，所以我们只要知道他们 care 的特征是哪一个就可以了。就不用去很清楚说它一定要100正负2，或者是50正负3，没关系，我只要知道它 care 是哪个特征。那这些 survey 直接from DFA 里面它的 survey 直接可以进来。
Introduce myself first. List my picture with my lovely cat. My background. I have a master's degree in chemical engineering, and after graduate, I have 4 years experience in supplier quality management, 2 years in Shodenko, in Hsinchu Science Park, as I mentioned yesterday. This company is produce the hard disk, yes, inside your computer. Yeah. And then I joined the student already 2 years as an SQA member. A working piece rotation. Then the cutting tool go forward and up to cutting the workpiece. Then this usually used for the machining cylindric workpiece.
So this year is really terrible. Yeah. And 6 years.
So you are expert.
Not.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but when I was a student, I don't know why I need to learn it and how to use it until I begin to work. And I think everybody agrees that this is really a very useful tooling for us to find some important information and help us to do some decision.
And the aging time is too long or not enough. For the quality control, we will focus on the information, speed of rising and decreasing, and the hardening is ranging. Straight text, we will focus on the fatigue, impact, tension test, bending.
要不要用麦克风？
Hello everyone, it's my turn now. And I would like to introduce the e-parts today. I download a bit on the ceramics. So my master degree in chemical engineering, but I'm now doing experiments in the laboratory. I do CAE, CAE, computer analysis engineering. So I use C double-cross language to construct a system in polymer.